All right, and here is the result of, and let me just show you what it looks like. So basically now we are able to choose our folders, and then after it runs through that iterations, you're gonna select just the final product, which is what we want. We don't want to go through every single image of the process, so it's gonna be folder count -1 because we don't need the background, right? So then we're gonna get items at that index for each repeat, and then we're gonna select our final image. So let's do 25 images, select root folder, select our root folder, and we'll do it with a couple different ones just to see how it works. All right, input. All right. And we're gonna sort it by background, ball, eye color, shine. Well, I was wrong. Whatever. Iris, bottom lid, top lid. There you go. So now we have the order. And let's try it with a different set of images. Let's do 10. This one was failing on me. I'm not sure why, but let's try it. Let's try layers, background, blank canvas, and words. This is a Christmas one. See what it looks like. Or I was just trying to make it look like something, but let's see if it works. I don't know if it's gonna work. All right, so basically a background with text in the front. All right, so that works, and then we're able to select. Let's do another one. Let's see if this one works. 10 images. All right, documents. All right. All right, and let's sort this one.
George does not like being
And there you go. Something's going on with the mouth. It's not showing up. But it is working, right? I don't know why the mouth is not showing up where it's supposed to be. Maybe I didn't download the images. Let's see.